What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Canon cameras in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, also known as the best beginner DSLR Canon camera available on the market in 2021. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is the smallest and lightest DSLR model with a rotating touchscreen. The new APS-C sensor, which still has a resolution of 24 megapixels, and the Digic 8 image processor can now record videos in 4K resolution. Also included in the mix are autofocus improvements. The Canon Rebel SL3 is not only capable of recording regular videos, but also compile time-lapse images or extract individual images with a resolution of about 8.3 megapixels from 4K videos. Furthermore, thanks to the rotating and tilting touchscreen, vlogging is not an issue, nor is the selection of photos. With a brilliant 3-inch touchscreen, you can make all the settings on the Canon Rebel SL3 and use the live view to check photos or clips. For better protection, the monitor can be easily folded towards the camera. To make it easier for beginners to shoot, the small EOS also gives advice to the photographer on the screen as desired. Those who want to get a bit more creative or offer detailed adjustments of ISO sensitivity and exposure time, as well as digital filter functions, color effects, and much more. Also, the most powerful Digic 8 image processor comes with a DLO. The digital lens optimizer can reduce the optical errors of the attached lens. The rear of the Canon Rebel SL3 is mostly reserved for the rotating and foldable 3-inch touchscreen. It has a resolution of 1.04 million pixels and achieves a very good maximum brightness of 890 candelas per square meter. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we'll talk about is dedicated to beginners. Check out the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, aka the best beginner mirrorless Canon camera available on the market in 2021. We are looking at a small but powerful mirrorless camera that makes the whole process from shooting to uploading easier than ever. The device allows you to record 4K videos horizontally and vertically, or stream full HD videos directly to YouTube. With a 3.5mm microphone and clear HDMI and USB outputs, this model has all the inputs and outputs that a content creator might need. The compact body, various angle-sensitive touchscreens, and compatibility with a wide range of Canon lenses gives users complete creative freedom, whether shooting perfectly framed images or recording on the go. Diversity is the very foundation of this camera. Whether you want to take high-quality photos, portrait videos for sharing via TikTok, or live streaming on YouTube, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II has your back. With pure HDMI output, users can perform live streams with a professional look. Furthermore, the device offers connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This allows control from a mobile device and uploading images and videos directly to social networks, ensuring that nothing is ever lost. With a built-in microphone, this portable camera can be easily carried or even mounted on a gimbal, providing additional flexibility to users. The screen and electronic viewfinder allow users to frame the scene in any situation. Camera speed, 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, intelligent auto modes, and eye detection also give content creators an edge when it comes to photography. This allows you to capture sharp action images that grab the attention of social media users. Also included in the mix is a 3.5mm microphone port, as well as the ability to use Canon's EF-M and EF lenses. With the mount adapter, which includes an ultra-wide lens, the widest range of genuine Canon lenses can be mounted. This is a quality product and all we can do is recommend it. Up next, we say check out the Canon EOS 90D, which fetched the title of the best DSLR enthusiast Canon camera available on the market in 2021. The body looks solid, made of aluminum alloy and polycarbonate resin with glass fibers, and is to some extent resistant to dust and water. There is still a fully controllable touchscreen, quite responsive, which allows flexibility when shooting in live view and video recording, an easy adjustment of options at all times when you can't switch between physical controls. Of course, the fact that it can be turned forward also makes it suitable for selfies. The camera has received a new sensor in this iteration, significantly higher resolution. Instead of a 24 megapixel, The 90D has a 32.5 megapixel APS-C 1.6 sensor, putting the device in the highest resolution class devices in the APS-C run. As with a mirrorless camera, the sensor is paired with Canon's new Digic 8 image processor. This translates into virtually identical quality results as the M6 Mark II. This means less noise at higher ISO values and greater dynamic range than previous generations of Canon cameras. In terms of noise, the new Canon sensor is on par with the competition. JPEGs are pleasantly colored, although noise reduction algorithms at higher ISO values destroy details more than expected. This can be avoided by using the RAW format. Of course, the high pixel density means that extremely sharp lenses will be needed to take advantage of that density, that is, the resolution of the sensor. Since this is a DSLR, this means that it has two autofocus systems. One is used when framed via an optical viewfinder, and the other dual pixel in live view or when the screen is used. Dual pixel autofocus covers the frame 100% horizontally and 88% vertically. It is more reliable and more precise, and in addition to faces, it also recognizes eyes. In live view, the camera can shoot up to 11 frames per second with a single focus and up to 7 FPS with continuous focus. The buffer can accommodate up to 58 JPEG or 25 RAW photos. With video, it's almost the same thing as the M6 II. The only difference is basically that the 90D also offers a 1.2 times crop mode, and such video is a bit sharper. Thumbs up. Up next, we bring you the Canon EOS RP, also known as the best enthusiast mirrorless Canon camera available on the market in 2021. We are looking at a well-finished camera with a solid grip and a set of controls that allow users a significant amount of personal configuration. This model has 3 control wheels, as well as a touchscreen with controls for navigation through menus or focus point selection. The electronic viewfinder is decent, although it is better not to activate the power-saving mode to always have the correct refresh. And you can get all this stuff in a pretty small and light case, which, if we put the 38mm f1.8 system, makes this model a great option for a variety of users. The battery is absurdly small, offering about 250 shots on a single charge, which can be expanded to just over 350 photos, although without the use of video. The good news is that we can now charge the camera via USB with one of those external cell phone batteries that can save us a session when the time comes. The RP does not use the same sensor as the EOS R, but uses the CMOS EOS 6D Mark II. We are looking at a sensor that is not the best on the market, but offers very good colors and JPEGs, and make no mistake, more than enough for most scenes and users who approach such a model. When it comes to videos, RP is a good option for shooting in full HD. For the listed price, we are quite impressed. And finally, we're here with the gold medal and the title of the best overall Canon camera available on the market in 2021. And the winner is the Canon EOS R5. We are looking at a quite special mirrorless camera with a set of nifty features that you don't see every day. The EOS R5 offers video shooting in 8K format, in addition to being able to record at 4K at 120 frames per second, all thanks to a sensor of 45 megapixels. The 45 megapixel recording device delivers a crystal clear image. The luxury point is the OLED viewfinder, a small screen with 5 million pixels that looks spectacularly good. The 45 megapixel sensor is maximally compressed when it comes to bursts, through photos that can reach the number of 20 frames per second if we opt for an electronic shutter, or 12 if we choose the mechanical one. Of course, capturing 20 frames per second at 45 megapixels is not an easy storage task, but that's where the additional memory cards step in. And yes, we're talking about cards in the plural, because this R5 has actually included a set of 2 different slots. On the one hand, we can insert SD cards with a writing speed of 1400 megabits per second. The shooting mode is especially attractive if we combine it with the autofocus that the camera offers us. Seriously, that is amazing. The ability of this EOS R5 to focus on the eye, whether on people or animals, is amazing, and it is quite difficult not to take a good photo if you've not properly exposed and measured the scene. Even when you think it is impossible to focus due to light conditions, the camera does it. As already mentioned, another star of this camera is that it can record video in 8K format. The 8K format will give us incredible freedom of framing, and besides, its sharpness and details amaze in a brutal way. We are obviously facing a technological monster that will surprise everyone. Overall, this fella delivers premium performance and high durability at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.